While brothers break north with a bop step, with a bop step, with a bop step. While sisters break north with a bop step. Come on, relay, what you got?
Picking up the rhythm on the down low. The carnival was number 2, now here's the boogaloo. Hey, on my status ain't the fattest, but I still can feel it. Will I motivate my own maneuvers and get paid mad bills? So release the cheap, affect the masses. The people through the mega. Mix the wood with the peck of my get down time. It's busting shots in a rhyme. Tapes take the blood of my bros, so I suppose it's relay on a rise. Ripping up originals, antiseptics, mad flicks for criticals. I'm all alone with my man and a microphone stand. Hot damn, we finna slam, man. Take the measures like a Richter scale and read the rhyme in braille. Cause if you're blind, you won't find more bounce till the ounce kick is slang. If one pronounces flashback, relay, and the whole shebang. Intake slow, directed to the flow, making moves only if I prove the features in effect. A loop made the group flip, checks on the mix, flashback to rhythm given on tabletop taps. Execute the footwork, moving through the mist. Futuristic life, I predicted the shit. Ready on the 1-2, next on the mic check, trip to the rhythm of the bop step.
While brothers break north with a bop step, with a bop step, with a bop step. While sisters break north with a bop step.
Yo, check it out, yo, check it out.
Prediction 1, my diction spun. You wig into orbit when you absorb it. Check the mystique of the funky tacticianer again. 10 times 10 for the blend. Crystal clear in a tube sporting gear. Uplift, gift of gab, got a nap. Fiends frontin' on the dream. Guillotine, the team from tomorrow rectifies the soul scene. Man gets through speaking logically, mad captain rap. You can't menace a mousetrap. The African laughing at the ignorant material globe. I be Brazilian, relate to more than millions. Dictate the hate, now fake your show is fatal. The opposite of north and south is my label. The opposite of red trash is also my label. But labels ain't jack when the world is unstable.
Over hills of clover comes a microphone controller. Yup, you're right, the feature sound can captivate your Motorola. 48 tracks to slide. Focus on the fitness, let's take a ride to the top of Mount Hip Hop and 86 to fix. Minus 10 and 5 and then live a better way than this. Food for the mind, sit down, you will find time for a divine rhyme. Climb to the sign 9, back to back, no doubt for the rip whack. Execute sick, ink around the brick link. Think the radical, battle, dramatical miracles. The motto in 92, break them down with the lyricals. Years ago I focused on the flow, now I'm moving to the groove and I got many more to go. Check out the grid, the rhythm kingpin, coming from the cosmos, meaning from within.
While brothers break north with a bop step, with a bop step, with a bop step. While sisters break north with a bop step.
You check it out, you check it on out.
Arise, trade another thought for a penny. We try, we made and got a lot for the money. Explode, many suckers get fucked. Episode, the future runs into a stroke of luck. Back, flashback, I'm kicking a funky tax testimony. The one and only Flat Kid did a little ditty, reliving and giving my vision. The people that try to be done with the brother but never deliver the rhythm. 9 fat letters reoccurring, assuring that it's final. Pressed on endangered vinyl, it's a gas. Time to resort to the flamer. My tongue is on a mission, stocking ammo in the chamber. Click clock, tick tock, the vape puffs the nouveau. Clock with the cat red and Kid Cupid Juno. The boys slather runs when the beats blend with guns. And blood stepping slow, bobbing twice, slamming once. It's like action, yo. I got a lot of flow. One New York State had a yellow license plate. I picked up the mic in '83. Now we be the future sound known universally, G.
The funky tactician
and the rhythm kingpin swing on a swing set. But gats are better yet. The real TFS and it's stress strong.